Hey, and welcome back to the channel. So I'm Jeremy. I run Elevate Clients Inc. We are a lead generation company that has helped commercial cleaning businesses generate over $1 million in annual recurring revenue just this year alone. And if you're a commercial cleaning business owner or thinking about starting one, you've come to the right place, because today I'm going to talk about 3 powerful lead generation strategies that can bring in more clients. That's SEO, cold calling, and cold email. Now, these strategies, they might seem simple, but when done right, they can work wonders for your business. So let's get started. First off, let's talk about SEO. You've probably heard the term before, but what does it actually mean for your commercial cleaning business? Well, in a nutshell, SEO is all about making sure that your website shows up when potential clients search for services like commercial cleaning near me, or office janitorial services, or office cleaning near me. So if your website isn't optimized for the right keywords, you're missing out on people who are actively searching for what you offer. So the good news is you don't need to be an SEO expert to get started. You just need to make sure your site is easy to navigate, has clear calls to action, and includes keywords people are actually searching for. When you go to a website like this, you can clearly see this website is all about commercial cleaning in Montana and Washington. And because Google is a search engine and not a person, all it can do is read. And so this website is feeding Google the correct information that it needs to know what this website wants to rank for. And so a bonus tip is also local SEO. That's one of your best friends, right? So you want to make sure that your Google business profile is up to date and that customers are leaving you happy reviews. This can have a huge boost in your local presence. And when you rank high in Google Maps, you're going to get a lot more organic leads than you could have even imagined. And when your Google profile is optimized correctly, you're going to get a lot more leads than if you're just focusing on your website's SEO. Okay. All right. So next up is cold email, which is one of the most underrated but effective lead generation strategies. So cold emailing is all about reaching out directly to business owners that might need your services. And if you think about it, it's a lot cheaper than running ads, and it can be highly, highly targeted, right? So cold email equals direct outreach, right? So here's how to get started. First, you want to make a list of businesses in your target area. That could be offices, medical facilities, schools, you name it. And then you want to craft a short email that introduces your company and highlights how your cleaning services can benefit them. And really, you just want to keep it simple. So something like, "Hi, name. I noticed that your company operates in Houston, and I'd love to offer our commercial cleaning services to help keep your space spotless. We specialize in office cleaning and would be happy to offer you a free quote. Let me know if you'd be open to talking," right? And when you start sending out emails like this, as we do for our clients all the time, you get responses such as this. "Good morning, Andrew. Thanks for reaching out. We'd definitely be open to getting a quote for your services. Please let me know when you'd be available to meet. Thank you." All right, so the key to cold email is to follow up. So if you don't hear back after the first email, send a reminder a couple days later. And just remember, in general, persistence pays off in lead generation. All right, so next up, cold calling. When we talk about cold calling, I know that it's not everyone's favorite task, but when it's done right, it is a powerful and direct way to generate leads. Cold calling gives you the opportunity to speak directly with the decision maker, explain your service, and you offer a real-time solution, right? So once again, cold calling is direct contact. And the key to a successful cold call is just preparation, right? So make sure you know the type of company you're calling, and if possible, try to know the decision maker's name. And then you can give them a pitch that's more tailored to their needs, right? And if you truly hate cold calling or want a team to do it for you, my company would love to help, right? But here's a sample script. So, "Hey, name, I'm calling from John's Commercial Cleaning. We specialize in providing commercial cleaning services to businesses like yours. I just wanted to see if you'd be interested in a free quote on how much our services would cost you," right? So just remember, stay confident and keep it conversational. You're offering a service that can genuinely help them. They probably need it, and don't be afraid to reach out, right? So there you have it. The 3 lead generation strategies that are guaranteed to bring more clients for your commercial cleaning business. Whether you focus on boosting your SEO, sending out cold emails, picking up the phone and making those cold calls, all of these tactics can help you grow your business. So if you want my company's help with growing your commercial cleaning business, we'd love to help, and you can schedule a call down below. So if this video was helpful for you, please subscribe, check out some of the other videos, and I will see you in the next.